what is happening today is that the price is climbing back near the all-time highs hit yesterday. The entire reversal has been reversed. The reversal of the reversal.
Total protonic reversal.
The messers become the messies.
Hey guys, Raf here from the Endgame Investor, and today we're going to do something really quick. The short squeeze situation in gold is becoming more pronounced, especially after yesterday when the Federal Reserve, headed by Jay Powell, aka Jay Powell, cut rates by 50 basis points by 0.5%, and gold initially went way up to about 26, whatever it was. We'll look at the exact prices in a second. And then there was a wave of selling in gold and silver, which knocked down price by some large amount. And we'll look at that also in a second when I have the graphs in front of me. And then after that smash down, price is back or very near where it was when gold reached its all-time highs yesterday, just before the smash down. So how would a smash down happen? How would a brief smash down happen? Well, there's two ways. Either longs sell their positions and they lower their bids until their orders are filled and the price falls until the shorts cover their shorts at a lower price. In that case, you'd have falling open interest as contracts close on net, or you can have the opposite situation where shorts pile on positions, open new contracts and sell them short until the bid from buyers goes down as the supply of new contracts increases. In that case, you would have a rise in open interest as new positions are opened, led by the short sellers. So what happened yesterday? Let's take a look. This video is brought to you by Monetary Metals, where you can earn interest on your gold and silver deposited there on leases to jewelry companies, companies that use gold and silver. So you are earning interest. The importance of this is that it starts a gold and silver based banking system, restarts that before the end game, so that we have a little bit of momentum before we get to the end of the fiat era, which is going to be very difficult. The more gold and silver leases we have that are ongoing, the better it will be post end game. Go to monetary-metals/Rafi, link in the description below. This video is also brought to you by this thing, the Dirty Man Safe, which you can bury anywhere you want on your property or off your property. Here it is inside. You can get 10% off of your order by using the code ENDGAME10 at checkout, link in the description below. I do have a Dirty Man Safe. As you can see, I personally cannot use it because Hezbollah has been bombing my neighborhood of late, and I don't want my gold and silver to be splayed across the street in a silver shower if, God forbid, my backyard is hit. So I pray for peace so that I can use my Dirty Man Safe. Code ENDGAME10 at checkout for 10% off. You can also support this channel by becoming my patron on Patreon for as little as $3 a month. Last week, I taught about the proto hints of the Austrian business cycle theory in the book of Micah or Micha. Tune in there, link in the description below, to learn how the Bible is a forerunner to Austrian school business cycle theory. This is a chart going back to September 18th. These candles are when Jay Powell announced that the Fed was cutting by 0.5 percentage point, by 50 basis points. Gold went from about 25.67 to 2,600. These are London prices. This is an all-time high. And then following that, there was a smash down to a new low for the day, and that is 25.46. So from about 2,600 to 25.46, about $53 and change. And then what is happening today is that the price is climbing back near the all-time highs hit yesterday. The entire reversal has been reversed. The reversal of the reversal.
Total protonic reversal.
The messers become the messies.
And what happened to open interest? Well, if we look at yesterday's numbers in this tab, we can see that Wednesday, September 18th, 2024, the day of that shoot up with the cut of 50 basis points, followed by the smash down of about $53. Open interest went up about 992 contracts on net. All maturities from spot down through the table, except for February 2025, which is not the active contract. The active contract is December 2024, up 914 on net. Contracts were open to the tune of 992, about 1,000 contracts open. Same thing happened in silver. You had here the big move up in silver from about $30.22 to a new high of $31.78, and then a smash down to $29.87, and then a move up to new highs in silver from yesterday's smash down. And look at silver's open interest, up about the same amount, 1,008 contracts across the board, all maturities up through March 2025. And so of the two possible scenarios, either longs closing out and shorts meeting them below, or shorts piling on more contracts and longs taking up those contracts, new contracts opened, it looks like the shorts tried to smash down the gold and silver price immediately after the rate hike and were unsuccessful. And so they are even deeper now into their short positions at a new all-time high in gold and a new local high in silver. They are in trouble. We'll see what happens in the days and weeks ahead.